What up, y'all? I'm tired, but you know what? I'm gonna practice, pretend like I got my son to go cook a little breakfast tonight. Just put that together. Let that set up. Alright, so you put two cups of dry powder mix in the bowl, and then a cup and a half of water. Stir it up good for about 90 seconds. And then once you got all the clumps out, just set it to the side. And then you're gonna wanna chop for about 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes went by. You gotta listen to it. Oh, I know you ain't ready, baby. It's alright. That ain't gonna hurt you. And then, I got that on. I'm about to. My roommates are trying to sleep. Y'all keep it the fuck down. Alright, while that sets up, you might want to. I took my nighttime meds. They're kicking in. It's actually why I was making this video. In case the house went up in smoke, it was an accident. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm gonna put that out there. Two hours later. Don't be trying no extra shit, man. Just cook the money. Alright, so I was with my main bitch for at least 3 weeks. Parents were going out of town. Some vacation bullshit. I said, bitch, can I spend the night with you? And right when she was about to say yes, I said, and for 2 weeks straight? She's like, whatever, I guess. Good bitch. Anyways, I went over there. She had some friends over. I said, bitch, I hope you're hungry, 'cause I brought pancakes. She's like, we already ate. We ordered pizza. I said, bitch, good, 'cause they wasn't for y'all hoes anyway. My pancakes. I said, bitch, I hope you're hungry, 'cause I'm trying to fuck. She said, I'm on my period. I said, bitch, flip that ass over like a flip chip. She said, what the fuck is that smell? I said, bitch, you know that's a rag. Maybe a little bit of that crack I smoked on the way over. But it's mostly that bloody pussy. Nigga, I'm just trying shit. I said, when the fuck is your parents coming home? She said, I think they're gonna be gone for... I said, bitch, what I really meant is where is their car keys? I called her early. I said, bitch, change your plans. I'm ass. Fuck for this, sir. Quick, get your bitch ass over here and cook me these pancakes. Unforgivable. Yeah, motherfucker.